Well, Reliance Industries in the first quarter of FY23, well, analysts are expecting this to be the best ever quarter for Reliance Industries. It's expected to be the biggest jump in the company's consolidated EBITDA and net profit in many quarters, while they are also expecting the company to report its highest ever quarterly EBITDA and net profit in the first quarter of FY23. Now, compared to last quarter, the company's revenues are expected to be higher by nearly 18%. EBITDA is expected to see a jump of nearly 33%. EBITDA margins are expected to come in at close to 17%, while the company's net profit is expected to be higher by nearly 50% compared to last quarter. Now, if you see the segmental revenues and EBITDA number, on the retail side, the revenues are expected to be higher by 7%, while the retail EBITDA is expected to see a jump of nearly 6% compared to last quarter. Now, what is going to aid the retail segment? Well, it will be the store expansion and higher footfalls that is expected to aid the retail segment. Now, coming on to the oil and gas side. Now, firstly, the oil to chemical, that is the O2C segment of Reliance Industries. Now, there the EBITDA is expected to jump by nearly 65% on a Q-on-Q basis. Now, this will be purely on the back of the strong refining performance of Reliance Industries because the Singapore gross refining margin averaged higher at around $21.4 per barrel in the first quarter of FY23 as compared to $8.1 per barrel in the last quarter. However, the petrochemical business profitability is expected to be modest owing to higher cost. Along with this, the exploration business is also expected to see a jump of nearly 65% in its EBITDA, and this is purely on the back of higher volumes and higher gas prices that were seen in the first quarter of FY23. Other than the earnings, if you see, the net profit is also expected to be aided on the back of higher other income, while the finance cost is expected to be higher due to rupee depreciation that we had witnessed in the first quarter. Now, the key things to watch out for from Reliance Industries earning would include the impact, any clarity on the impact of this windfall tax that was implemented. Along with this, what would be the impact of the sharp fall in the GRMs that we had seen would be important to watch out for. Along with this, management commentary on digital revenue growth, how the new store growth has been, and what has been the impact on inflation would be key to watch out for. And any clarity or any update coming in for the new energy business would also be keenly watched from the Reliance Industries earnings. Well, Reliance Jio, on the other hand, if you see in the first quarter, the growth is expected to be nominal. Revenue growth is expected to be seen around 4%. EBITDA is expected to be higher by nearly 5%. Margins are expected to come in at 50.6%, while the net profit is expected to increase by only 7% on a Q-on-Q basis. Now, the key number for Reliance Jio would be the ARPU, that is the average revenue per user. That is expected to be higher by nearly 4%, while the subscriber number is expected to come in at close to 41.6 crore as against the 41 crore number reported by the company in the last quarter. Now, what is expected to aid this growth for Reliance Jio? Well, it will be the subscriber addition, and the residual benefit of the tariff hike that the company had taken earlier is expected to aid the first quarter numbers. Along with this, after the last 3 consecutive quarters of a sharp decline in subscriber base, this will be the first quarter where the company is expected to add subscriber base in this quarter. Along with this, the improving broadband business and the improvement in quality of subscribers is also expected to aid Reliance Jio numbers in the first quarter of FY23. Lastly, key things to watch out for from Reliance Industries earning would include the company's outlook on the capital expenditure plans for 5G, any commentary on further price hike, and any commentary coming in for how the traction has been for the new Jio phone would be important to track from Reliance Jio earnings.